Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing a review of Jenifer Lewis, the mother of Black Hollywood. And if you guys been watching all the videos I've had before, you know I'm writing, I'm doing NaNoWriMo, and so I haven't been doing a lot of reading, but when I picked this book up, it was just like, oh no, I need to finish this. It is a memoir of her life. And she's had a long career in Hollywood, and she started off in Broadway. So in her memoir, you get to experience like decades of Hollywood, you know, of Broadway life, the gypsies, you know, and you learn about her her passion for the stage and her passion to entertain, but she also open up a lot of her personal experience with addiction and mental health. And as I'm reading the story, there were moments where I am completely, you know, engrossed in the story. I'm laughing so hard. And there are moments where I find that, especially there's one particular incident in the story where I actually cried. I love how open she is about talking about serious matters of mental health, especially when during a time when, you know, going to see a therapist wasn't the thing to do as a Black person. It's not something that was really discussed publicly. And I like that she addresses that you know, she has something that she can't control on her own, and she had to seek help in order to balance that and not completely ruin her career when she has meltdown and things that happen that she, you know, like she emotionally couldn't pull herself together. You know, it's also that talk about, you know, sex addiction she talked about in here, and how sometimes, you know, with every addiction there's a root cause for it, but it's still something that at first I was like, whoa. I mean, I would have never guessed that she was had that kind of addiction. But at the same time, it was entertaining when she talks about it, because when I look at her now, I'm like, okay, Jenifer, you know. But it's an interesting story. The relationship she has with her parents, the relationship that she has with the men who have been in her life, the two loves that she, you know, she talks about a lot. It is one of those memoirs that I would never forget. It is one of the best memoirs I've ever read, in terms of how I wasn't bored. I wasn't, you know, didn't do side eye where I'm like, okay. It was more like, wow. And it has some very inspirational moments that I personally enjoyed reading. And so I definitely think, you know, as a whole, you should read it. You should definitely, I mean, I'm reading in her voice, but I'm pretty sure people who have read the audiobook is gonna, you know, enjoy it even more, because her, you know, her accent and how she performs, you know, she grabs you. And, you know, especially on, you know, if you watch any of her movies and Blackish, you know, you're gonna, you know, experience that. So definitely, if you have not read this book, you know, where you at? Like, don't be late like me. Definitely pick it up. This is the paperback, and I think this just came out Tuesday, because I ordered online, and also, you know, the cover, you know, I'm here for it. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I am trying to get a hold of this video thing again, you know, so stay tuned for the next video, which will be my week 3 of NaNoWriMo. So thanks, guys. Bye.